Welcome to another episode of Come On Shop Disney Really? We had a whole lot of deliveries come in during the month of December for Christmas time. I had a few thoughts on some of them, but most of them were okay. I got this box in just yesterday, and you can see right here, it's crushed in on the side. I know what's in this box. It doesn't sound like the breakable items are secured in any way, shape, or form. Let's get this thing open and see if I'm right. Well, look at that. The only thing securing this is this piece of paper. And if you notice right here, this box is actually open and the mug was falling out. Let's see if it's in one piece. It is in one piece, thank goodness. This is one of the ABC series mugs. This is U for Under the Sea. And the other is, now this is our final mug in this collection. This is the mug that has been so hard to find on Shop Disney. This is C for Cinderella's Castle. Not Cinderella Castle. On the bottom it says Cinderella's Castle. We now have the entire collection of the ABC mugs. I also noticed that right here, this box was completely broken open. Where it was kind of pressed in right there, it was split. How have your experiences been with Shop Disney lately? Good? Bad? Kind of in the middle? Mine have been all over the spectrum. Put your experiences in the comments below, but until then remember, no capes.